So we finally just met up with this transport company here, and this load they're hauling is huge. Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do some drone work, commercial drone work, my first commercial drone job that I've ever done, for a transport company that's hauling some sort of giant load from Alberta down to, I don't know, Montana or something through the Coots border. So yeah, they're hiring me to come out today to go out and do some drone work and some B-roll. And Whitney's with me, my filming assistant. And yeah, we got the Cobra. It's a rainy day. It's a good day for it. So figured I'd take you guys along and show you a day in the life of going out and filming a video production and hopefully inspire you to go do the same. Show you some drone shots, show you some of my B-roll tricks. And yeah, let's go find these guys. You would think we're out here storm chasing today, but we're not. Be a good storm chasing car though, wouldn't it? And you know what? This guy up here, this isn't the load we're looking for. These aren't the droids you're looking for. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, just waiting for communication from these guys, and then we'll get that drone up in the air. Hopefully the wind dies down a bit. Le Monde. Apparently there's a corner over here these guys want to get a shot in. Back to back, taking these huge corners. Fuck yeah, buddy. Hey, drink that coffee. You gotta wake up. Whitney's mullet is flowing. Woo! Well, it looks like we found the other transport truck. Blew a fan belt. Changing her with his ass crack over here on the side of the highway.
Oh. I just saw that guy shitter.
There, they got the new belt on it. They're just filling it with coolant, letting it warm up. And the wind's kind of intense right now, but I'm gonna get the drone off the ground and grab a shot of this thing stationary right now. That's not so bad, is it? That's doing pretty good in the wind, actually. Look at the size of this load. Man, this thing flies in the wind better than I do when I'm drunk. They rate the DJI Mavic Air 2S for like 40 kilometers an hour, 23 miles an hour, and right now it's exactly that. So I love this drone. This is a great drone. DJI Mavic Air 2S. I should have affiliate links on my videos, man.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Alright, put the drone up in the air here. You guys can move on.
For this guy to get going so you move over.
I'm gonna get in the car and film from in the car. I can see better, it's darker in here. And I can sit, which is nice. He's going for this corner, man.
Oh yes, let them go. Doesn't have a radio, I think. He has no handheld.
Those brakes aren't in good shape, are they? Look what the cat dragged in. Did you get a good shot?
I feel like it.
Look at the girth of that. Look at that. That's like me on a Saturday night after a couple good old PBRs. So we're driving south of town here. I'm following these guys on the side, doing a left side panning shot here. We're doing like 70 kilometers an hour, which is the top speed of the Mavic. Hey Gord, would it be safe to give you guys a pass pretty soon here?
Yep. I'm just needing a little 4-wheeler and then you can hammer down.
So after this guy I can go here?
Give her a hit.
Go. Okay, Gordon, we're gonna let you guys around us now and get another shot from the side here. Couple great ground rollers. Now we're going to that valley, get some shots. Like I just use the 4K camera on my iPhone. It has self-image stabilization, and I also use obviously my DJI Mavic Air 2S that I'm filming with the GoPro Hero 9, which has a forward-facing camera or screen, and it records in 4 and 5K, I believe. 4K for sure. The drone does 5K, but either way, like, don't underestimate this. Never underestimate these.
I give it a week, guys, time to get through it.
Hey Gord, you said we were pulling up over here for a bit before the valley?
Yeah, there's a white spot there, we're gonna slide over.
Okay, so I'll have time to get ahead of you there and just set up the drone in the valley then. Perfect. Hey Gord, can you hold up on going until I get to the top of the valley and get the drone up in the air?
Yeah, just let me know.
Okay, yeah, be about 1 minute here. Power up the drone. Stop right here. Oh, stay on this side because they're going to go around us. They got the highway shut down up here anyways, so it's not a big deal. All right, Gord, the drone is in the air, ready to go. Coming down the valley, real slow. So apparently they got to switch their transmission ranges over to a lower range because they got this huge hill that we're parked on coming back up. They've had to shut down the valley on either ends with pilot trucks. All right, I got one chance to get this shot. Hey Gord, take your time going over that bridge if you can.
Yeah, 10-4. Push on, Ryan. Get her all you got. Software coming back. Just lead everybody back there, John.
We're gonna slide over here. Tilt her a little bit to the right. Now, I would love to inform you that those valley shots were absolute rattlers, aka bangers, aka good times, aka some of the best drone work I've ever done. And I don't like getting cocky about much, but I'll tell you, I'm quite proud of myself for these ones. I hope these guys like them as much as I do, because that's really what matters. All right, let's head back this way. So we're just finishing up here with these guys for the day. Gonna get a couple shots of the logos on their doors, and then they're setting on their way down to Coots. They're gonna cross into Montana, and this load's going down to Texas. Well, them guys just sailed off into the sunset or the blue skies, and yeah, it's windy as hell. We're gonna go home, back to Diamond Valley. That was such a cool day, and I hope that you enjoyed coming along. Stick around till the end of the video because I put together an edit compiled of all the shots that we grabbed filming this transport company. Now, would you like to see more videos like this one? Perhaps some tutorials on what kind of camera gear and editing software I use? Let me know in the comments section below. I hope that I can inspire you to try out filming and simplify the process along the way. Also, if you got any value out of today's video, please flick that like button and consider subscribing to the channel if you aren't already. Let me know how I'm doing by leaving a comment in the comment section below. And with all that being said, get out there and film. Bring your visions to fruition. It might be easier than you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next episode here on Ty Roaster's Garage. Where the frig did she get a scooter from? I literally turned away for 2 seconds and she's got a scooter, and wow.
You like my new wheels?
Where'd you find that? Where'd you find that?
In the ditch.
In the ditch.
Wow! You ain't shit, you know that, right? Fucking bitch ass.